always giving you detoxing 2 times or 3 times in a month, you know what I mean, remind us the detoxing still in the process of, you know what I mean, that when you're at home, you got cucumber, ginger, fresh lemon and all these things, you know what I mean, coriander, fresh mint. You can make yourself a nice lovely detox or a weight loss drink and drink it, you know what I mean. If I'm 2 or 3 times for the morning, it's very good for us. All right, keep you update and remind us that, you know what I mean, detoxing your body is still in the making. All right, we're not forgetting about detoxing. If you follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook and all these places, you can see the excited with the other rest of fans. I'm so happy. They take picture of things where they're doing with my detoxing drink at home and says the best. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, a lot more things will be coming up, and don't forget to subscribe and please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, watch more video and keep you smiling at home. Nice and lovely. So basically we're gonna make a simple salad today. We got some iceberg lettuce, cucumber, carrot and apple. Look at this. All right, first of all, grate the carrot. That's one of the first thing what you want to do is grate your carrot. Second thing, you're gonna grate your cucumber. I mean, we're about half of a cucumber. Thirdly, apple. And I'm using 2 apple, medium sized apple. Nicely. This is Chef Ricardo recipe. I did a recipe like this back in the days, but you know what I mean, long time I don't do one like this. All right, so a little bit of olive oil, teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, little bit of dry chili, pepper. You can put a lot more, you can put seeds, you can put a lot more stuff inside of it, but I just keep it simple, tomato and these things. So you mix up everything like this. And the apple gonna bring a nice lovely sweetness to it, and then the apple cider vinegar gonna blend in it. Can put a lot more things in it, guys, honestly. And not only that, there's so many things you can put in it, guys, you know what I mean, just to keep it lovely looking, fresh and nice. You can simply put a few like tangerine in it just for color and all bits and pieces, you know. Little bit more pepper. And that will be looking lovely and nice. Any more question, please leave it in the comments box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. This is just a simple little salad recipe from Chef Ricardo at home. You know what I mean? Especially if you're at home and you want to do something different, that come in really handy for you guys. So thank you for watching. Please follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me. Get your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo on the team, and I will see you next time.